Hi, this is Laura Langwell.
I'm McCarty Kelly. Today we are going to show you how to use Educreations to promote literacy in a math classroom.
Educreations is a free app available on iPads. It is a fun and engaging way to turn students' iPads into recorded whiteboards. Once you have downloaded the app, you can open it here with this Educreations icon. When you're in this screen, you're going to want to push the bottom left-hand corner settings wheel. This will take you to a login/sign up screen. You could push the sign up. If you do not have an account yet, you would push create an account at the bottom. You have the option of being a teacher or a student. We're going to show you teacher. You'll put in your name, email, password, and then you will push create an account. Since we've already made an account, we're going to go to login. We're going to put in my information and then just push login. Now we are in this screen where it's Laura's lessons. You're going to push the group of people icon on the left hand side. This will allow you to create a new class by pushing this little plus button at the top of My Classes. Here you can name your class whatever you'd like. You can add a description of it, and you can also add a subject area and a grade level. And then when you're finished, you're going to push save, and you will see that the class appears underneath your My Classes now. We've already created a class called Intro to Educreation, so we're going to push that. Notice to the right hand side you will see all the lessons that you have created so far, and to the bottom you will see your students' names. At the very top you will see a settings wheel bar. If you push on this, it will give you information of that class, and it will also give you a class code that you would give to your students when you first want them to join the class. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to create a lesson. You're going to go to this plus bar at the top, create new lesson, and once you're in this screen, there are many features that you could use. First, you can draw. You can change the color on the drawing, and then you can erase anything that you don't like. In addition to this, there are some add-in features that you can push with this plus button. You can add a text box anywhere on the screen. You can write your word problem here, or any instructions you'd like your students to have. You can also add a picture. You can scale this picture how big or small you would like it and move it around. You could also add a picture via taking the picture live on the camera. However, the best feature I believe is this recording icon to the left-hand top side. You push this red button here. Students, please show your work by drawing a picture. You can give specific instructions to your students, and then your students can also use the recording feature to talk through how they're solving the problem. Okay, once you are finished with this, you would push share in the top left corner. You would push save finish video. You can title it whatever you would like. You can give a description of it, such as word problems, multiplication, whatever you would like, and then you could add a subject area and grade again. The important thing here is to push published when you are ready to share it with your class. Then you will push saved, and it would add to your classes. Here is an example of a lesson that I have created, and it is a finished product. For this word problem, we have Billy has 3 apples and Sarah has 5 apples. If they put their apples together, how many apples will they have total? Over here I have inserted words and phrases to math symbols. Okay, that's what it would look like when it was finished. Now I'm going to take you to the students' assignments. I'm going to push on my first student here, and it will show all of their work that they have submitted. This one only has one work, so we're going to push on that and see how she solved the problem.
Sally has 5 apples.
We're going to fast forward through. We can see that she drew a picture. You could hear that she was talking through this entire process. And then she goes to draw an equation. You can see the step-by-step process that she took. In the event that there was a problem, we would be able to correct it quickly. Okay, now we are going to go to our second student and see how they solved the problem.
Since Billy had 5 apples,
We're going to fast forward again. I'm going to show that there's a little bit of a different way that this student solved it. Still correct. They numbered their apples. Then they drew an equation a little differently. And then this student even took it upon themselves to add a nice picture.